If you're looking to buy a house, well, you might have to wait a little bit longer. That's because Springfield is currently facing a housing shortage.
News Channel 20's Alyssa Hui is joining us live now to explain what this could mean for local buyers. Alyssa?
Yeah, John and Stacy, if you are trying to buy a house, you're not going to have a ton of options. According to local real estate agencies, as of today, there are only 194 houses up for sale in Sangamon County, when typically around this time there are over 1,000 options.
A housing shortage hitting Springfield.
Our inventory right now is down 30% overall.
A shortage that Jamie Winchester, president of Capital Area Realtors Association, says will challenge residents who are looking to buy a new home.
What we're seeing is when a home hits the market, there's a lot of activity and a lot of people writing on the same house.
Others who work in the housing industry, including Jane Locascio, say there are multiple reasons why people are looking to move.
The low interest rates, and people being at home and finding out that with remote learning and working from home, that their current home didn't no longer satisfy their needs, and so it was time to move.
But because there's more demand than supply, Locascio says housing prices will go up, forcing buyers to pay more out of pocket.
They might have a house on the market today and have 10 to 20 multiple offers with people paying exorbitant amounts over the asking price.
A price that will hopefully be short term.
We'll hopefully see that inventory grow. We haven't seen it yet, but we're hopeful that it will.
Real estate agencies also tell me because sellers are struggling to find their next home, they aren't putting their current home up for sale, which is contributing to the housing shortage we're seeing. Reporting live in Springfield, Alyssa Hui, News Channel 20.
Thanks, Alyssa.